Hi, I'm Denice Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm. We provide an outsourced general counsel program for many of our manufacturing clients. Our job is to provide all sorts of legal and other services, just as if we were your inside general counsel. So many people have asked me, why do you need an outsourced general counsel? Well, let me ask you a couple of questions. First might be, have you ever had the experience of a surprise visit from one of the regulatory agencies? It was not a pleasant experience if you did. Another is, have you ever been served with a lawsuit you didn't expect? Most of the time, if you're on top of things, you really should know that a lawsuit might come about. Have you ever tried to end a contract that you did not like, even towards the end of the term, only to find out there was an automatic 5-year renewal provision in it? And now you have trouble getting out of it. Another is, have you ever had a sexual harassment claim by one employee against one of your managers who was never properly trained in appropriate management skills? And I have seen this happen personally with some clients that were before we came in as outsourced general counsel. Another is, and this is a big one in this area, have you ever found your business the subject of a ransom attack and you didn't have adequate cyber and business interruption insurance coverage to cover your losses? In addition, you did not have training programs for your employees so that they would not precipitate something like this happening. Have you ever allowed your trade secrets to be compromised as you failed to properly secure them? Or have you found that your managers are signing vendor contracts without reading them, only to find out later there are major problems with the contracts and no protections for you? These are but a few reasons that you need to have someone in-house who is going to be looking out for your interest as you're going along, not there just to put out fires. So this is a good reason, these are good reasons for you to need an outsourced general counsel. Maybe you think your company is not large enough to hire an outsourced general counsel, so instead you've been hiring firefighters, attorneys who are hired to put out fires. Wouldn't it be better to know these issues in advance so you do not have to have blazes later? It's easier to put out something that is a small ember than something that's a major blaze. An outsourced general counsel will do a risk analysis to determine the problems that you may have on a day-to-day basis and work to remedy those things, along with working with you and your team on the day-to-day contracts, employee issues, employee benefit plans, expansion, growth, and exit strategies. Your firefighter attorneys don't do all of those things. They do one limited thing that they've been assigned. So an outsourced general counsel can build and cement your legal platform so you can concentrate on growth and expansion of your business. After all, isn't that what you wanted anyway, is to grow your business?